So we will only anticipate that things shall go well, and in the absence of them not having appeared, that means they must have either agreed with what we had said, or they saw that they had no purpose of trying to defend that particular position. They knew that they were wrong from the word go. It's coming to the issue of the accounts. That has been quite a fight on it. In as much as the state has been trying to say that there were no specifics as to which accounts which were closed and which accounts belong to the school, which accounts belong to personal persons, it is quite clear from their own response and from the documents that were filed that they knew exactly when they were going to court in Milimani and any other place, they knew those ones specifically. So it was mere denial. And as I always say, the state being a chameleon, it will always change colors. They go to court and say, this is what we want to freeze, and they come back here and say, we don't know exactly what you're talking about. Children need to go to school. Let us go back to that position. Children need to go to school. Apart from the very many thousands of students and children that the pastor is taking care of outside from his international life, Kilifi International School, there are children out there who he supports, and this money comes from those accounts.